Hey everyone, Aaron Gramelspacher here with Heartland. Today we're out here at a RV show. I want to talk to you a little bit about what we got going on with our Landmark Daytona. First and foremost, what you'll notice on the exterior is this beautiful full body paint. So unique in the fact that this is an automotive style paint. It's a 12-step finish process that's going to really keep this Landmark in this same condition for the life of the coach. Not going to have to worry about any of the fading or flaking that you typically see on a traditional fiberglass product. So going to stay in that condition for the life of the coach, as I mentioned. One of the things you want to take a look at here is our large pass-through storage compartment. We know how important storage is in any RV, but especially a product that a customer is going to be living in full time, completely finished off, and obviously be able to bring all those items along with you. For all of our Landmark buyers, one of the things that we make unique too is we give everyone a custom backlit welcome sign, which is a pretty cool little feature. Nice personal item that we make for every single one of our Landmark buyers. We are now on the inside of our Landmark Daytona. A couple great features that you're going to notice upon entry is our main appliance package here. Fully residential. You got the large refrigerator just like you'd have at home, the 30-inch microwave, and then you've got the nice 3-burner cooktop up here, and that is highlighted there with our backlit backsplash. So pretty cool little feature we do. You're also going to notice we're trying to bring all those residential amenities here to Landmark as well, and we've got the double oven featured in this Daytona. Highlighted here in our Daytona living room is our 65-inch television. Our residential style furniture, unique thing that we bring to the Landmark is this has heat, it has massage, and it also has power recline. And in our Landmarks, we also have our coffee table, which we include. Great thing about this is you can make it a workstation as it's set up now, regular coffee table, and you've got that additional storage in here as well.